Good morning students. Welcome back to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Students, let's just recall our topic human resources. If we split the term, we found human plus resources. Do you remember students? In the very first chapter, we read about resources. What are resources? Anything that satisfy our needs or wants is called as a resource. Now the question is, why we are saying that humans are called as resources? This is because these are humans only, these are people only that helps in the development of any nation. So let's just discuss the chapter in detail. First of all, what we are going to study in this chapter? Firstly, what is human resource? So let's just see what is human resource. You can see here, people are nation's greatest resource that I already disclosed to you. If you want a particular nation to get developed, the very first important thing is to develop the human beings present in it. Now the question is, how we are going to say that the development of human being is taking place or not? That means you need to improve the skill of the human beings present in your nation by providing training to them, by making them more health conscious, and by educating them, by motivating them. Now, the next question is distribution of population. If we talk about distribution of population, first of all, let's see the spread of people across our country. So if we talk about the spread of people across our country, what we found, especially in case of India, we found that 90% of the population is residing on only 10% of the land area. That means in case of India, the land is overburdened. Now let's talk about the pattern of population distribution. If we talk about the pattern of population distribution, you have also seen these things, students, that some areas are densely populated and on the other hand, some areas are sparsely populated. So let's just have a look at that. As I told you, whole of the land surface or the earth surface is unevenly distributed. More people live in the north of the equator. What is the reason behind that? The reason is that all the life survivals, that is availability of water, availability of land and other facilities are provided here or are present here. Then next, if I say that 3/4 of the world's population just reside in the two continents. And which are these two continents? These two continents are Asia and Africa, and 60% of the world population countries are present there only in India. Now the question is, in Asia, which are the two most populous countries? These are, first one is your China and second one is your India. Now let's see about the density of the population. If we talk about the density of the population, we can say it reflects the number of the people who lives in per unit square area. That is, in every square kilometer, how many number of people are living. Now the next topic is factors affecting distribution of population. As I already told you, some areas are more populated, some areas are less populated. So let's talk about factors affecting distribution of population. Students, as I told you that some areas are densely populated and some areas are scarcely populated. So definitely those areas which are densely populated, there are certain factors. Now why people are choosing to live in those areas? Let's have a look at those factors. These are two types of factors. First one are your geographical factors and second one are your social, cultural and economic factors. If we talk about geographical factors, we talk about the climate present in that area. You know, human being can't survive in extreme hot or extreme cold climate area. They just try to reside in the areas where moderate climate is present, availability of water, availability of plain fertile land and many more. And if we talk about social, cultural and economic factor, you tell me, can you live in a particular area where you are not socially connected, you are not getting the same background, you are not feeling connected with your neighborhood? Not possible. Then second is economic factors. Economic factors are always related with earning money. That is, those areas where people are getting more employment opportunities for them, they are more densely populated, and those areas where less employment opportunities are there, they are less densely populated. And that is the reason we see that mostly people used to migrate from villages towards cities because they are getting more job employment opportunities for them there. Now in this chapter we are just left with two topics, which are population change and population composition. In this video we will cover this only, and in the next section we are going to cover these two topics. I hope you understand the topic very well, and that's it for the day. Thank you so much all of you. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it also. Thank you all of you.